Well, these are the lenses for the top of the metal K9 control box. You can see a couple of lines in there. Well, I think you can. There's one there and there's one over there. What that's to do with, I don't know. I've got to wash them now. I've actually put frames around them, as you can see. And I printed them upright, and they came out so much better because they haven't got all that support underneath that you tear off, leaving marks. Like I say, it doesn't matter too much about those lines because the backs of them will be sprayed red anyway. I don't know if you can see with the lighting in here as well. The lenses for the buttons, printed them upright, so much better again, so it doesn't leave any marks on them, and I'm really pleased with those. They've come out crisp and clean. Sorry about the wobbly video. So we go to control panels. One's made out of plastic card or something on the left. That's what my friend made, and then you've got the one on the right that I made out of sheet steel. The only difference between the two is the lenses at the top. The lenses on the left fit in flush, and because the sheet steel was hard to cut and get perfectly square or oblong or whatever that is, I actually put these on top. See a bit of black under there, but it's more because of the camera. Yeah, so I made rims around them in CAD, so then they look more like they're inset. The one on the left, those top panels aren't lit yet because I haven't moved the LEDs up. But as you can see, I did a pretty good job, and I don't like blow my own trumpet making this one out of sheet steel. And it's solid, and it's sprayed with Hammerite black paint, so it's not going to rust.